Good morning, champions. Josh Eppes here with Broke is No Joke, the movement towards true freedom. And I'm here with the Rolling Rogans, Amy and Joe. How are you guys? Oh, man.
We're rolling.
We're rolling.
They're rolling and they're coordinated also. That's impressive.
We haven't practiced that at all.
I know.
So I'm really, look, I want to talk to these guys because I'm so proud of them. They did the illustrations in our new book, Slap Yourself.
You got to get one.
Let me tell you guys what I really appreciate about these two. They're true entrepreneurs. They hustle. They do what it takes. They're good people. They're genuine folks. And they're about to embark. They've already been on a big adventure, but they're about to embark on a really big adventure coming up here. Mm-hmm. So I don't know if you want to share any of what do you guys focus on now? What are you excited about? What's getting you out of bed every morning without the alarm clock? Share with us.
Well, the sun, which is nice.
The sun? Hey, what a concept. Get up with the sun.
I like waking up to the warmth of the sun and whatever landscape that we see. So now that we've sold our house and we're building our van into an RV, we'll be traveling around and living wherever we want to live. We don't like to be kind of tied down to one spot. If we want to be down by the beach and work on our projects and our businesses, we'll be down by the beach. We want to be up in the mountains, we'll be up in the mountains.
You're talking about my favorite F word, freedom.
Yes.
Isn't that the American dream?
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Very much the American dream. And this thing, like when you wake up early in the morning, I mean, you give a lot more of your time back. So it's like your me time, the things that you can do before the rest of the world wakes up.
Yeah.
And that's like where people tell you, like, I don't have time to do this. I don't have time to do that. It's just like, those are just excuses or procrastinating. So.
But what really gets me out of bed is our bigger mission of telling our story and impacting people with my healing process and how he believed in me, sticking with me through everything. And then just
how are they going to hear that story? We're
writing. Okay, you want to say it? Because I like saying it.
What?
We're going to write a book.
We're going to write a book.
There you go. You said it.
We're going to write a book
down by the river.
Oh. See, that was my line.
I tried to set you up, but you
It's
didn't
like when I
do it.
tried.
Go ahead. We'll just pretend.
Rewind.
We're going to live in a van down by the river and write a book.
Or maybe 5, but
Yeah, start with 1.
Yeah, we'll start there. But, and then, like I said, with just getting up and enjoying and appreciating every day, because living with chronic pain and all the stuff that I've been through, just appreciating, like I said, the sunshine and the water and the beauty of nature. And
why
all that
do you think
stuff.
more people don't do it like you guys do it? Get up with that appreciation, and is it because of what you went through and most people don't go through it? Or why don't we all just have that kind of attitude? Because that's a fantastic attitude.
It's easy to get stuck.
Okay.
Especially, we were taught to go to school, get the job, get married, have the kids. I totally freaked out my brother. He's like, what do you mean you're not having kids? Like, that's just what you do.
Yeah. Along with the safe, secure job you're going to lose tomorrow. And
exactly.
I took the hook. I was like...
I actually made it through a layoff once, and that was a horrible experience in a corporate job.
It's not easy.
No.
It really isn't. I mean, especially when you're really comfortable and you get this salary that's, taking care of things. But like when your inner, mental state is not happy, that's when you have to make a change and you have to do something.
Well, and through my healing process, I just wanted to be normal.
Yeah. And
do a normal job and do what normal people do. And then I did it. I got there. It sucked. I was like, you mean I have to do this every day all the time? And no, I don't like that. There's so much more.
Until you retire and maybe get to enjoy life if you're still alive.
If I'm still alive,
if you're still healthy enough.
Exactly.
And if you have money.
And we see our parents going through that right now. They're not healthy enough to do what they wanted to do. They lost money.
Take a look around and you could see it. I mean, like, you have like a baby boomers or even people that they're still struggling after retirement. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Why would we still want to do that? Why would we fall in line? So it's just, I don't know.
So you guys are doing something very different from most people.
Right.
Yeah.
Not too many people would sell their house and hit the road.
Basically start over and fix some of the stuff that we had to fix.
What do you think is going to be your biggest challenge, though? Because this is different, right? So just share it with us. Like, what's...
The biggest challenge?
Yeah, what do you think is going to be the biggest challenge coming up?
I mean, that's kind of the thing where, there will be challenges and there will be obstacles.
We're so used to that.
We're so used to it. Like we're building crocodile skin. So it's not so much that, you will have a challenge, but you can respond to it the right way instead of just reacting to it and just falling over or falling down. So you're going to have it. I mean, it's not going to be like, just smooth sailing where you want to go. So
My thought of the biggest challenge is being able to keep up with what we want to do. Like, I always worry about if I'm going to have enough energy and enough strength to be able to continue doing what is the vision that we have, because it's huge. And we want to be able to impact millions of people around the world. And so my challenge that I'm trying to get over is I will have enough energy. I will have the strength to do that. And so that I'm just keep telling myself.
And having that bigger goal probably also helps propel you, right? Because it's exciting.
Doing it together, knowing that I have my partner here. So.
And to what you said also, a mentor of mine once told me, tough times don't last, but tough people do. And I always remember that. Right? So,
that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We call them, like you said, we call them drawing opportunities now. Challenges.
Yes.
That gives us more content to share with people.
drawing opportunities.
We're drawing opportunities, and if it is a challenge, we just draw it.
By the way, amazing artists. If you need anything illustrated, whether it be for a book or video or anything like that, talk to these folks.
Product development, clothing line. I mean, we have so many talents between us.
All right, last couple questions because I want to run out of time here.
Yeah.
Well, I use aspiring pilots too, or at least I don't know about you. Yeah,
I'm trying.
I'm in the air.
I gotta get my allergies.
Aspiring pilot, actually an excellent pilot.
Thank
you.
You
Need to do some more training too.
Yes.
Plane's going down. You got 30 seconds left to live, and you got just enough time to text the 3 most important things about life, whether it be success or happiness, to your family, to your loved ones that you've learned in all your years. What are those 3 quick things?
Basically, just presently live and enjoy what you do.
Okay.
Of course, my wife, because that's important to me. I mean, we had an incredible journey, and just gratitude for what I've done and what I've accomplished, because that's the position I want to be in, where I could say I had a good day.
Yeah.
And it's okay if I go on.
Very nice. Well put.
Thank you.
You want to add to that, or is that pretty good?
Well, the 3 things to the question, 3 things that you want to make sure other people know, right?
Yeah, your loved ones.
My loved ones.
About success in life or happiness or what's important.
Start with gratitude.
Gratitude.
If I'm having a tough morning, I just go straight to the gratitude. If I'm in a lot of pain, I start focusing on what I'm grateful for at that moment to help me cope through that pain. It just doesn't matter.
It just doesn't matter. Yeah,
that's a great one.
What would Bill Murray do?
The highs and the lows. Just keep it, because I was bipolar, so I had those super highs and I've had those super lows, and it's just so much easier to just. They don't last.
Keep it in the middle.
Keep it in the middle.
Keep it in the middle.
Yeah.
I think that was only 2, but just love everybody and kindness to people. I mean, it just makes such a difference.
I think if more people would keep it in the middle, like you're saying, we would have less of the anger and the hate and the frustration, and all that stress that it takes us away from who we really are.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, and that's the book that we're going to illustrate in the van down by the river. It's called Happy Medium.
When's that coming out? Let's make it official.
The end of this year, January 1st.
January 1st?
Yeah.
Okay.
2020.
Well, we got to get it done a month early to do all the editing.
Yeah, exactly.
Stuff, because you know how that works.
Yeah.
But I want to do a book launch.
I just wanted to throw a date out there.
And the road tour for next year, because it's our 20th anniversary next year, so 2020 would be great to have our big road tour of our book
Launching
tour.
a book.
Ooh, I can't wait.
It's all planned out.
So how do people follow you? How do they find you, follow you if they want to ask some questions or get your services? What's the best way?
We have pretty much the social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter.
We're building those.
And it's all under Rolling Rogans?
Rolling Rogans, yes.
The website, rollingrogans.com, will even connect you to any of those that are, your everyday use. So
perfect. And we'll put a link below for Rolling Rogans.
Yes. We're building that right now. So
Okay, that's
kind of
a
little,
right.
We had a lot going on with selling the house and taking care of a lot of things, so we're building everything quickly.
Putting out fires, I call it.
But thanks to you, we're getting things done a lot faster.
Absolutely. I mean, really, it's this book is just, I've heard it before, but when I read this book, it's just kind of that other voice or that language that, just get it done. And that's what I did. I dropped and I did my 20 push-ups.
Did you?
Yes,
awesome.
it did. And you told me that in the book. I was like, oh, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be one of those. I'm just going to put it down and just go,
Yep.
So, yeah. And that's going to make the difference.
And that's why I want to talk with you guys. You guys are champions. Like the definition of champion is doing whatever it takes, like getting stuff done, having the right mindset. So winning is only a matter of time. Mm-hmm. And I'm excited to watch you guys. So thanks for sharing your nuggets of wisdom and what things are going on. And hopefully you guys got some great stuff out of that. And contact these folks. get to know them. They're just good people.